Good afternoon. My name is Dan McInsatt. I want to start out with a question. How many people can walk in a room and say, I've got gas? For sale. For sale. So I'm the specialty gas account manager with Praxair for the Puget Sound area. I wanted to talk a little bit today about the products that we offer. Praxair's got over 300 bulk production plants where they make the bulk liquid gases and over 400 distribution facilities where they fill the smaller containers and liquid dewars. Right here in the Puget Sound area, our air separation plant is in Fife, Washington. I'm sure many of you have seen it right next to the highway there. And our production plant where we fill the smaller containers across the highway about 1.5 miles in Tacoma. Praxair is more than just a Praxair is a gas solutions provider. There's many things on this slide. I'm just going to touch on a couple. In this area, we do see a lot of bulk nitrogen for cell cryogenic storage, dry ice for shipping products, high purity gases, 5-9s or pure for GC or mass specs. We see a lot of safety going on in the labs nowadays, not only from the air monitoring, controlling, but cylinder storage and cylinder security. Just a couple quick facts about the Seattle area. Our bulk source product that's made is made for USP and NF medical grade. So from there we can fill industrial grade products, we can fill high purity gases to 5-9s pure. We fill certified standard mixed blends here locally. One thing about helium I want to mention, it's been in the news quite a bit with supply. Our market right here, we're very unique. We actually have 2 transfill stations, one in Fife, Washington, and one across the border in Vancouver, BC, for those people that need liquid helium for their MRIs or NMRs. I have a success story I want to tell you about. I'm a little passionate about this one. In 2007, the University of Washington awarded Praxair with their gas contract. So we have one customer, but we have 1,300 different delivery locations. What's unique about that is at the time we received that agreement, their storage department, which delivered the products to the labs, closed down. So we had to learn all those locations. We deliver almost 500 individual gas products, and we've got a 98% on-time delivery tracking. University of Washington uses an Ariba e-procurement system for their ordering and e-invoicing. We have quarterly performance reviews with them, with their EH&S, their purchasing department, and procurement. With hard goods, we assist their capital projects with new build-outs. We help them with retrofits in the labs for existing labs for not only safety, but security of gases and efficiencies. The University of Washington has a sustainability program that we report to them quarterly on the CO2 carbon footprint reduction. Praxair does more than just sell a cylinder with air in it. And here's a few things that we provide. Our e-commerce online ordering with Praxair Express, you can place orders, check invoices, pay online, and check cylinder balances. On-site gas management, that's one thing we're seeing more action with, where customers want the vendors to come in and maintain the inventories and levels. Customer training, I provide regulator training over at the University of Washington on a quarterly basis. Site assessment, if you need someone to come in and review your gas needs, make sure that it's not only efficient, but it's safe, we can provide that for you. Cryorepository is another thing that we see here in the Puget Sound area. Praxair can provide a turnkey cryorepository for you. If you're putting it in a new system or you need a retrofit one, from the bulk tank that sits outside to the freezers in the lab and the engineered vacuum jacketed piping and the installation, we can do all that. The other thing that people are putting in nowadays is air monitoring. If there is any kind of failure or a tank leakage, then there's an emergency stop that's right on the pipeline system that will keep people in the lab safe and secure. A couple of membership benefits. We do have preferred pricing for those WBBA members. Praxair is the only manufacturer that not only manufactures the gas, but we also package it in cylinders. So I call it from source to sample. where we can track it from the air separation plant process right to the cylinder that's used in the lab at your application. Once again, comprehensive lab survey. We've got engineers in